Yo, Fatty, I appreciate you, brother. I appreciate you. You know nothing about trading. I know, man, but I respect that you. Honestly, I don't really trade crypto either, but I definitely know something about trading. But I appreciate you. I appreciate you supporting, man. I hope your stuff goes well too. Yeah. Thanks for release what's on that account. Yeah, you need to put a lot of time into trading, honestly. Unless it already takes a long time if you go full time. So if you're gonna go part time, then it's already gonna be like super hard. The red folder at 10. Today's my graduation, actually. Like, I finished school like 2 months ago, but the actual graduation's today. Honestly, I'm not really that excited. I don't really care, but I guess it's kind of cool. I get to get the piece of paper, see everyone one last time. What's up, Gloom? Um, you know what? I already trade hard enough to your teachers. Say this minor trader was my student. Hey man, that would be great, man. That would be a great day. Um, I don't really have like students per se. Maybe one day when I'm like super profitable, yeah, I'll start mentoring people one on one. I wouldn't sell a course, but if people want me to mentor them one on one, I would do that. But I don't think I don't even think I can do that right now. Like I can teach them a bunch of things. I'm from Toronto, yeah. Well, I'm from Mississauga, but anyway, I'm bullish because we came down and this huge wick. Anytime you see a big ass wick gloom, that's a fair value gap on the lower time frame. So like let's see for example on the hourly, you see this fair value gap. It's just a bullish. It's an inverted bearish fair value gap because it's a down wick, and then so that's a fair value gap on the lower time frame. So you can mark out 50% of that fair value gap. And there you have it. We took out this low. I think ES took out a lower low. Yeah, right here. So there's SMT. So simply external range to internal range. Pretty simple, pretty simple stuff. I'm gonna leave this up while I go wash my hair quickly. Um, what part from Toronto? I'm from Mississauga. Mhm. I use SMT to confirm bias and to confirm an entry. And by entry, I mean a reversal. So the fact that ES, so this is how I see it, right? In this move lower, order flow was bearish, right? Just huge, like after taking this high, we moved down 700 points. Yeah, I'm gonna see 10 a.m. news. If I catch something before, I'll take it. But hey, good luck, Fatty. Yo, let me know. Let me know the song, bro. I'm gonna keep supporting you too. Um, see you, brother. Um, we went all the way down here so far that these correlated assets, ES took that low, and we were super bearish, right? But then we did not take this low on Nasdaq. That shows strength. This is just simply showing strength. That's all. That's all you can read from this. This is saying that, oh, we came all the way down here, but we did not take this low. And not only that, you can see this huge ass wick. That's a this huge wick on the daily time frame. This huge bearish wick is a bullish inversion, and I'll show you on the hourly right here. It's right here. This bearish fair value gap got inverted, and then see how it tapped in and then supported right there, 50%, respected perfectly right there. Um, so that's how I use it. Just a confirmation. Well, listen, don't ever let SMT frame your bias. The reason I'm bullish is because one, this is a bullish fair value gap, right? Maybe on the 4 hour it's cleaner. Nope, it's just an order block. So this is a 4 hour order block that price respected, and it's also a 1 hour inversion. So so I'm using that idea paired with the drawn liquidity is this daily fair value gap. We're trading close to it, right? We've already repelled up, and also not to mention that this is just a bullish fair value gap right here, and then also this candle I just marked out right now, that's a daily order block. That's an order block, right? We tapped in like bro, this is tapped into the tick. Don't tell me ICT doesn't work and then you see some shit like this, bro. You like you can't make that up, bro. How many ticks is that? One point differential. We literally tapped in, and then from there we pushed up super high, respecting this fair value gap and this fair value gap. And then doing so, we inverted a 1 hour fair value gap. Doing so, we also created SMT at the lows. And where's the obvious drawn liquidity? So one, previous day's high, and two, the daily fair value gap above. So simple as that. Anyway, I'll be right back in like 1 minute. Actually, you know what? I'll fuck my hair, bro. Yeah, caps. I'll be right back. All right. Market opens in 6 minutes. Log into Trade Evade. Another thing is, yo, Kumar, what's up, man? What's up? What's up? What's up? Kumar, I need a dub today. I need a dub today. My prodigy's watching. What? Why is it saying that? How was yesterday? Uh, I mean, it was good. We did take a loss, but like I got stopped out and then it played out, but it was my fault this time. Like, I mean, obviously it always is. It's never not my fault, but I took a trade, I got stopped out, and then it played out, and then when I went for the second entry, I didn't get filled because my limit was not in a good spot. But we learned, so it's pretty good. Hopefully today you can stay locked in. What am I doing? I gotta go to Trade of 8. I gotta do this quickly. Where's Trade of 8, man? Half step X. I want to launch Trade of 8. There it is. Gotta enable trading view. What's up, Raj? Raj, you killing it? I know you're killing it. I don't even have to ask you, bro. What's the secret again? Tell me. Trading view is not even here. I went to add-ons. Wait, what the hell is this? Group trade? Bro, don't do this, man. Don't make me trade on freaking Trade of 8, bro. Preferences. I'm here on add-ons. Dude, it's not there. Trading view is not there. What's going on? Yo, does anyone here have a Tradovate account? What's up, Sanded? I'm gonna show you in a bit. I just gotta sign in my Tradovate account. So basically, it should have been one win, one sell off yesterday, and NMP. Let's take 2 wins today. Yeah, well, I took 2 trades. One of them was slight profit slash break even. It was like a couple points. And then the other one, yesterday's sell was so clean, like very clean. I would have mattered 2%. It was so clean, dude. I'm so sad I got stopped down and it played. I took trade in the morning. I'll do a Tradovate. Like it's connecting to TradingView. I'm in add-ons. Okay, let me try this again. Let me restart this. Like I went to add-ons and it's not there. I don't see the trading view option. Wait, all these things, even though none of them are trading view. Well, this sucks. You're using Apex? No. Top step. The thing is, I think that the message comes up like once a month, and you just have to reconnect it. You just have to reconnect it. Um, so I don't think like anyone else would have the problem unless it's also time for them to reconnect. So let me just try restarting it and see if it will come up. Worst case, I'll put the trades on Tradeovate. I mean, I hate looking at Tradeovate. I hate the freaking thing. But worst case, um, okay, please just be there. It's literally just not there. Like the section, like, look, I'm not tripping, bro. Take stream, order flow, advanced starting, free indicators, group trade. There's no trading view. Did they like remove it, bro? They must have like removed it. That's the wrong account. I mean, I only have one funded account. I mean, even it doesn't even even if it's the wrong account, like any Trade of 8 account should be able to go. Okay, I guess we're gonna have to just trade on Trade of 8 then. We'll still chart on Trading View though. So what I'll do is I'll keep this. I mean, try one more time. You never know. Time to call support. That's what I'm saying, bro. But it would even be. What am I supposed to name that, bro? Help, please. Oh, she gets to open the ticket to Top Step? Well, it's already 9:31, so I don't really have time now. So we're just gonna let's open up the 1 minute chart on MNQ and let's see what were we looking for. Let's go to the daily fair value gap. Oh, for now I'm looking at previous day's high. 15-minute time frame. It's annoying, man. I love my chart here, but whatever. I can just trade on trading rate. It's not that serious. We're below midnight opening. So what am I need? What do I need to take a long? I'm gonna need a low to get taken out. I'm gonna need to see a low taken out, which looks like it's not happening anytime soon. So maybe we can figure this out. Could be an issue with maybe Top Step. Midnight opening marked out on the 15-minute time frame for ES and MNQ. Why mark midnight? Midnight is a true day open, so every candle is open high, low, close, or open low. If I'm expecting a candle to go open right here, low, then I'm expecting this. I'm expecting something like this. Although it could reverse. So if it reverses right here, I'm expecting this high to be put in either right at this black line, this red line, or at the daily fair value gap. It could reverse from there, so it could do this. But I'm expecting right now, I'm expecting this. Open, low, high, close. The 1 hour FEG. Yeah, 1 hour FEG, 15-minute low. It's the same thing. If we just need to come out. Yeah, the 1 hour FEG is good. The 15-minute FEG is there too. Well, the 1 hour FEG hasn't formed yet, actually. So, oh, you're just assuming it's gonna form. Yeah, I'll probably be waiting for news. But let's see, 9:30 manipulated lows took out this. Probably SMT there, if I'm guessing. Nope, no SMT actually. So yeah, I'm gonna wait. We tapped into a 15-minute fair value gap below. So let's see how that plays out. We tapped in, but we didn't give a setup, so I wouldn't have taken the trade anyways. But that's a 15-minute fair value. It looks like it's getting inverted, so I'm just gonna delete this. So it looks like what we want so far is good. It's going down. We're gonna have to wait a bit. So let's see. In the meantime, let me ask these people. Bro, how do I even trade? There's nothing here. Chart. Yeah, I need a freaking chart. Yeah. Wait, I don't want them. I have to pick a. I have to pick a month. Are you serious? You're just gonna make me pick a month? Okay, we'll go M4. I think that's like, oh man, I don't. This is disgusting, bro. I can't focus like this. I literally cannot focus like this. Anyway, how do I buy? How do I click buy market, sell market? How do I put a stop loss? Whatever, let's just put 3 micros there. And then if I have to click buy, I can't even, dude, I can't even, bro, fuck Tradeovate. You have to activate the ATM? The ATM? What ATM, bro? I'm just gonna have to click market sell. I don't know how I can put a limit order. Oh, I can't, bro. It just says off. Wait, isn't there an orders panel? Or orders or order ticket? Shit. Let's try this one. Where should I put this? It's gonna take up half the screen? Dude. Oh, I can do this? Okay. There's nothing here. I don't want this one. Uh, oh, if we invert that, that's so good. I don't know if I would take it though. Or order ticket is what I need, I guess. Okay, that's not bad. Limit. Don't tell me I have to put a price. Oh shit, what just happened? Oh. Oh, I can just put a line? Yo, that inversion is clean. Oh, the ticket to. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. I mean, you're right. I do have to do that, but I can't do that right now because I'm freaking trading. So, so we'll keep this open. Dude, so would I take this trade? 15-minute fair value gap off the 15-minute order block. Inversion, create a fair value gap. If there's SMT, I'll take it. I don't know. I kind of want to wait for news. I would have. Well, let's see. We inversed it fully. Could wait for a breaker. Bro, Maher, is your trade of eight? Can oh no, you're on Top Step X. Bro, there's one issue though. I have a Top Step X account. You fucking kidding me, bro? This is actually frustrating, bro. This is this is actually frustrating. Let me try again. Oh fuck. Because I also trade on my combines Top Step X. Now I don't got that many monitors, bro. I do not have that many monitors. Phone or some shit. And then like this screen, like look at this. Why is it so big? Can I not like activate paper trading and then? Okay. Yeah, that might work. That might work. You mean like this? Then go back to Tradeovate? I'm already on Tradeovate, so let me see. What do you mean activate paper trading? I'll have to just refresh my. I'll just like refresh my Tradeovate. This setup is good. It just formed. Let's see if it plays out. I'm not gonna take it because low hanging fruit doesn't make sense. Like I'm not gonna. I'm not just gonna do something like this. Bullish. I'm bullish. I'm bullish. I want that previous day high. I want that daily fair value gap. Yeah, this buy doesn't look bad. The thing is, like, your stop loss would have to be at the low. Even this high is not even 1R. So I don't like it. I might wait till 10. I want more engineered liquidity. I don't think it'll go up from here. I think it'll engineer some more highs. Maybe take out like London low or something. Yo, JP, is your account? Oh, you use. Never mind. I'm tripping. Alright, we're going 100 micros long. Bro, I'm joking. I'm on paper trading. In trading view, now log out of paper trading and go to Trade of It. Okay, log out of paper trading. Launch trade of 8. Sign into trade of 8. If this works, I'm gonna be so happy. I'm just gonna scroll down. Here, we can find out together. Just gonna scroll down. Nope, it's not there. What? They must have removed it. Did Tradeovate remove Trading View charts? P21, bro. What the? Look at the charts real quick. Yeah, this setup might work. If we push up out here, it actually looks really good. But I'm gonna wait till 10 because we can always enter on a continuation at 10. We might just have to rock with the trade of 8, bro. Let me go look at the Top Step Discord. Oh shit, wrong one. Contact support. Where's like the chat? Trade of 8. Oh, it's not just me. It's not just me. Problem with Top Step, yeah. Okay, we're gonna have to go with trade of 8 then. So I guess what I'll have to do is I'll keep my Top Step X here. I'll keep my trade of 8 on my second monitor. Actually, no. Let me do it the opposite. Let me do it the opposite. Top Step X on my second monitor. And then we'll just, bro, we're just gonna have to, and I'll open Trading View here actually, so then it's all in a browser. So Trading View, and then I'll open, and I'm just gonna have to switch tabs when I'm ready to take the trade. Hopefully, I can put in the limit properly. Nope. Okay, so just to confirm, to put a limit order, all I have to do is click. Bro, if that happens when I'm trading, all I have to do is click, and then click. Wait, sell limit? Oh, if I put it above, if I put it below, I'm guessing it's a buy limit. Okay, okay, not bad. That's not bad. The only thing I need to know is how the hell do I drag this chart? Because there's got to be a way. View settings. Chart settings, current position. Yeah, no, don't do that. No. Bro, I just need to drag this out. I can only go width. I can't go length. You know what I'm saying, bro? Configure chart elements. I don't care about that. Chart settings, grid, market depth, auto fit chart. Oh, I can drag this. Okay, we're connected to trading view here. Okay, so this long that we talked about, so far it's kind of chopping around. So 15 minutes till news. I'm not gonna take a trade, right? Let's mark out previous day high. Previous day. Damn, previous day high's all the way up there. That's crazy. That's some movement. So we've marked out previous day high. That's 123 points. So that's our drawn liquidity. We're not gonna take profit. Maybe we'll leave a runner. We're not gonna full take profits there. But shoot, we'll keep charting here. Ah, okay. Top up issue. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. As long as whatever. It's you let the candles be big, bro. Just can't miss it. I just if I could just make the chart bigger so I can like. There's got to be a way. Which one of these? Continuous auto fit. Fills and orders grid. Oh, okay, well that's good. I got rid of the freaking grid lines. I don't like those grid lines. But continuous auto fit off. Oh shit, bro. There has to be a way to adjust the axis. The axes. Okay, let's just turn this on. Continuous auto fit is good. Yeah, I'm gonna have to rock with it. But bro, like, bro, all I can see is this high and this low, dude. That's too low. I need it like way higher. Whatever. I'll just have to close and just keep an eye out. Whatever. It's fine. Okay. Let's stay here. We're chilling. We're chilling. Everything's figured out now. We're just gonna have to switch tabs. I have my breakfast here. I didn't even take a bite yet. Hold control. All right, holding control. Hold on. Let me take a bite of my breakfast, bro. You zoom out. I do. All it does is this. Control doesn't do anything either. I can zoom out. I can't shorten the y axis. Top left. Am I tripping? Oh, here. Yeah, it does the same thing. See, just like it just zooms out like to the left. So whatever. I'll just and dude, I can't even because I have auto stupid chart on. Whatever, bro. We're just gonna do it, and then we'll just click X when it hits TP. I don't know. I probably just don't know how to use it. Let's just make this smaller for sure, though. There's got to be a way. I just don't know how. Okay, you'll figure it out. It's fine, bro. It's fine. It's fine. It's really not that serious. I'm only gonna be clicking by there, anyways. Anyway, see this? Let's call out price, bro. Just eggs like every other day. It's always gonna be eggs or cereal. See that SMT? We might use that to go lower. A short like this is something I've back tested, and I think it'll play out. I might look to take. I might look to take it on my Top Step X. SMT candle is 945. So a short. I'm not. I'm gonna show you guys what I would. This is my change of state delivery SMT model. It has to be a close below. The reason I would take this short is because I think it's gonna go down before going up. 10 minutes till news though. Not taking this for the news, but I got London low. We take out London low too. Yeah, I gotta lock in. I don't even know what's going on. Did we take out London low? London high. Oh, SMT at London high, huh? Well, technically this is London high. But still SMT. Or SMT at the highs. Okay. Well, interesting. The thing is, So like, how am I gonna enter this long? Hmm. That's the question. How am I gonna enter this long? This is a simple open low, delayed protraction. We went into a key level. Looks like we're reversing from there. There's no SMT at the lows. There's SMT at the highs, but like I'm more worried about these equal highs. I think it's gonna go up there. The only thing is, how do I take the short? Now I have to ask myself. We've already there's no 1 hour fair value gap. There's no 15-minute fair value gap that hasn't been balanced. We've already tapped into this discount level. So how do I participate? The answer is 10 a.m. Power of three. Your bears is the news and Hey, I hope it works out, bro. Imagine someone took this there didn't be in this trade for so long. Hold shift to fix y-axis. My hero. You guys don't think it's going higher? I think it's gonna go higher all the way to like previous day high. I think, unless we manipulate up and take out Asia highs or London highs, and then we have a reaction from there, then I'd look for shorts. Yes, bro. Okay. Just okay there. At least now I can see all the price levels. Wait, I can't go two. I gotta put it. I can leave it like this, put in my limit, and then change it after. This limit's not in, right? Okay, it's not in. Just making sure. So personally, my drawn liquidity is previous day high. I think we're coming from Monday's high at 9:45. Okay. Um, I don't think like we opened, made a low, dropping some likes. Let's go, bro. Please like. No, I mean it's okay. I don't know if I don't even know if it makes a difference. I mean, if you want, like it doesn't really take much, anyways. But yeah, I know. In my opinion, the only way I'm taking a short, is if we come up, sweep these highs, and then we have a strong reaction. But even then, like it doesn't make sense. It makes sense to make a run for these highs and then continue to previous day high, or at least this balanced price range wick. Because I guess we did invalidate that 1 hour fair value gap, but not really. We made a lower low, a higher low here. Came into 50%. We inverted this little bearish fair value gap. It's kind of undecisive right now. We're really gonna have to see what news does because, I mean, you can just tell by this wick. Like this candle could have dictated something for us. We're still below midnight opening, so even if I was gonna take a short, it would have to be off these highs. So it would just to fit just to not break any rules. Um, in my opinion, we're one thing I can tell you is, bro, these highs look good. Like I feel like they're coming for these highs. That's low hanging fruit. I feel like those highs are gonna get run just based off how the market looks. So I can tell you that much. Those highs look juicy, and that's a pretty strong wick. I mean, we wicked 30 points. Let's see. It'd be so. I know someone took a trade here, bro. If we open 10 a.m., manipulate lows, I'm going in long. If we go 10 a.m., we do something like this. Oh yeah, we're going. We're taking the limit. We're taking the long. And if there's SMT there too, and if there's an SMT here, A plus. It's already. Wait, what is this? There's still SMT at the highs. I think it's gonna break though. The RR was bad, but even then, to me, like I don't know, it looks like a fake move. How can I explain it? How can I explain why I think it's fake? Because there's only one high that was put in. Usually you'll see when you're looking for a nice price run, there's multiple targets. Not necessarily multiple targets, but like, for example, look at ES now. Look at this. Look how many highs there are. That's engineered stops. There's buy stops over those highs. There's engineered liquidity there. So if we were gonna go long, it wouldn't make sense. Like usually there's some engineered liquidity that you're targeting. They put in highs to be taken out later. That's how the money. That's how it works. You feel me? So happens every time. Yeah, exactly. Just engineering liquidity. Look at this. 956. Yo, I'm here. You wanna go to the gym with me today? What day is it for you? Whatever day you want, bro. Push, I think. I'm probably gonna do push. Um, push or pull. But I'm taking Ashley too, so we'll all go if you want. Okay. I would have wanted to see this happen at 10 a.m., but it's happening now. Your shoulders today? Let's go. Let's see if we can form a breaker. I don't like the breaker here. I don't like the entry here. I want to see a breaker form here. So low, high, lower, low, higher, high. 10 a.m. news makes the lower low. Just remember I said it. That's all I'm asking you. Just remember I said it. If we invert this, do I take it? No. I want to see. Well, let's wait for 10 a.m. Anyways, we're gonna have to wait. Okay, let's see what happens. Um. Okay. Low, high. Let's put in this high. Put in this high. Make a low. It might happen on the 30-second time frame, which I can't show you guys, but you can see. Yeah. So the breaker might happen on the 30-second time frame because we already have low, high on the 30-second time frame. Let's see if 10 a.m. news makes a low. I want to see 10 a.m. news take that low and then propel up. If it propels up first, well, if it propels up, if it takes out this high, I'm not taking a trade. Shit. Well. Okay. So things change, things change. So it's fine. We took out that high. Um, London high is gone. No SMT at the high, so we're right about that. Low hanging fruit is no longer hanging fruit. It's just a news candle. What I'm gonna be targeting here is an entry that kind of ruins shit. Like that candle's so big, but anyways, see this? Everyone look. Everyone look. I'm gonna say this gem once. This candle has no low. It's coming back down there. Whether I short there or take a long from there, I'm gonna have to decide now. If we take out these highs, I'll consider shorting. a breaker forms there or something, or there's gonna be SMT for sure. So if we take out these highs, I'll consider shorting to 10 a.m. I didn't know what was the news, like Monma or something, like mom MOM. It doesn't need a low. It needs a low. It's gonna come back and put a low. It's very common that it'll come back and put a low. Uh, job. Oh, it's job openings. Okay, that's actually a good one then. Not a good one. Like it's a freaking. It moves. It's a market mover for sure. Um, this fair value gap is not coming back. It's not coming back to it. I don't think the breaker did form. Would I long this? Can catch some nice R. Would I take this? A flat bottom, devil's candle, or flat bottom? Yeah, I've heard both. I don't think I can take this trade though. I cannot put my stop loss on a fucking flat body candle. Hell no. If we don't take out the equal highs, come back and then give a setup, I'll take that. I can't take it like this though. So we'll see how it comes into this fair value gap, if it even comes. If it doesn't, let's see. Let's see what happens. So we've marked out these equal highs. A potential short candidate, right? I'm personally still bullish, but if we have a reaction off there, I'll look for a retracement, like scalp short. Alternatively, we do have this SMT here though, so it's a pretty nice looking SMT. Let's see. We don't have to take a trade too, you know? A lot of lows here. Your draw was correct. No entry once again. Time you going dim after trading or after Ashley's free after trading. Returns to the OB right here, the breaker. I've thought about this. Yeah, I'm thinking about this long too, but I don't know. Maybe on ES because here, like probably like 12:30. Even the 15-minute candle doesn't have a wick. Yeah, yeah, because it opened at 10 a.m. right? So even the hourly candle won't have a wick. Even the 4-hour candle, there's no wick. 10 a.m. low is the same as 10 a.m. open. That's really rare. Is all I'm trying to say. So if we can maybe take that 10 a.m. low, give me an inversion, we can target the equal highs. Hopefully the SMT holds. So let's see. We tapped into the order block, right? We tapped into the breaker. Hammy, are you here? Lock in. So there it is right there. There it is that we were looking for. Oh, shoot, yeah, it's the 10 a.m. low. Yeah, 10 exactly 10 a.m. low. Here, 12:30, good. Oh yeah, look at that. Yo, I wonder if you could entry on the 10 a.m. low and then stop loss at the SMT. Never have I ever saw a trade like that, but it's kind of interesting, you know? Like it just came in to put in a low. It wasn't coming for this low. It just wanted to reprice here. But I don't know. If you see this, if you see these two candles, 60 points in 2 minutes. You telling me you clicking long, bro? You is not clicking long. I mean, I was actually thinking about it, but which gym? Which one do you want? We'd like to go to Eglinton. Oh, that one sucks for you though. Well, I don't care, but she likes the Eglinton one. But we can go to Dixie. No, no, Eglinton, Ontario. She likes that one. If we invert this, bro, I don't want to long this. I mean, I guess I would do it like this. 1.7 R. Give me a low. Give me another setup right here. You know something I want to do as well? Hypothetically speaking, let's consider it shorts. Nah, no way. No way I can take shorts if we don't take out these highs. Yes, we ran up, we took a high, we wicked. I don't know what my bias is. Then don't trade, bros. Okay. Okay. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. Give me a breaker here. Let this be a breaker. Where's the box? If it gives me a bullish breaker here. No. Oh, if it's gonna inverse, then I have to make a decision. Okay, let's keep waiting. So, potential candidates for a long. We take out this low and give me a market structure shift fair value gap. Second candidate for a long. We inverse this. We inverse this, and I enter on the inversion. The only way I'm taking a short is if we take these equal highs and do something like this. That is the only way. Period. So let's be patient and wait for one of those three things. But I'm bullish. I would really rather prefer taking a long. I think we're coming for this daily bullish for Dalish berry for Dalish Dalish, bro. I said Dalish. Daily bearish fair value gap is my draw on liquidity, as well as previous day high. The thing is, we don't have to take that today. That's the thing. So, right, we could make a Tuesday low of week and then go, but we already wicked. Like, there's no more to go. Like, we're really gonna come for these lows? Maybe, but it does not make sense. Okay, we got a breaker. The best setup, in my opinion, is if we take this low and then we get market structure shift for value gap. That would be the best setup. Oh, we'd have a little SMT right here, but I want I want this low to get taken because if it gets taken now, I'm not gonna worry about it potentially running for that stop and then getting a setup after. You feel me? That's why I want that low to be taken. Especially now that there's equal lows on ES. Like, hopefully we run through this 957 low. What is this marked out? Trade like this, I would full TP. That's just crazy wick though. But it's also just, I mean, it only looks like a bad wick because We were already low, opened up, and then came back into the range. And we're just in the same range as before. We have an SMT there now. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. If we get a market structure fair value gap, I might take it on ES. Oh, actually, on either. Doesn't matter which one. If we get it, I might take it. I would really much prefer we take this low though. We're here, 12:30 works. I guess it's time to run some shit. True. All right, stay patient. Really, nothing's happened since 9:30. It's just generating interest on both sides. Okay, let's go. Yeah, yeah, go lower. Mm-hmm. Don't wick, bro. Just go. Do something. Yep, there is a 1 hour fair value gap there. You were right about that. Tipping point on the daily. Tapped into this order block. I mean, if it is, it is. But the thing is, I'm pretty sure it's both ways. Like right now, we are literally inside of this huge ass fair value gap, and we've made a higher high. This is a long term high. This is an intermediate term high. Yes, we're rejecting here, but like, look at this range. You tell me what looks more likely. That we're gonna come all the way down here and take this, or we're gonna run these equal highs. One, we already inversed this 1 hour fair value gap right here. Yeah, we're wicking now, but I think it's just giving a potential entry. Also look at midnight opening. We're hella below. We haven't even traded above midnight opening, really. Like a couple points. In my opinion, this is gonna shoot up either in AM or PM. There's gonna be a run higher for those highs. And I think it's gonna happen what it looks like now, either right now or it may be in PM. So let's see. We swept that low. That's what we wanted. That's what we wanted. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. All right, chill, chill, chill. It's going too low now. It's going too low. It's going too low. Chill, 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 chill. 934 low. All right, there's the SMT. Still valid. Still valid. Probably gonna get run right now. Okay, let's see if we can get this breaker. I will long this breaker if it forms. High, low, high, lower, low, higher, high. All right, bullish breaker. Hopefully this candle doesn't close below this low and it starts going higher. I don't want to focus too much on 1 minute market structure, but the concept is the same. It's kind of just a 10 a.m. PO3. Stimulation, manipulation, distribution. So far, good reaction from that low. Low, high, low, low. The breaker would be on ES too. As soon as we get a market structure for value gap, I'm in this a B. I guess my stop loss would. I don't want to put it all the way down here. But let's say I did. 1.4R. That's garbage. I put at the what if I put at the body or this old low? 1.82. That's not bad. Fair value got for me there on ES. I need displacement. So the idea of displacement is it's in a hurry to start distributing price, not giving people an entry, not giving people a chance to get in. That's the idea of displacement. That's the idea. Fair value gap on ES there. I wish NQ made one too. If I look at Twitter and someone says caught 2R today, bro. What? You got lucky, bro. What trade? Where? Double fair value gap on ES. Can NQ just like catch up? I'll probably just enter off the breaker. Yeah, I kind of just want to market buy. This shit looks good, bro. This shit look good. This shit look good. I think I'm willing to buy in here. Just for shits and giggles, let's try Tradeovate one more time. Too many login requests? Are you fucking serious, bro? Like, do I wait for the fair value gap or do I just market order this shit? The fair value gap's paired with a. Holy shit, this entry's good. I'm not gonna risk it because if this forms, it's so high probability. The change of state of delivery, the order block. ES already did it though, bro. ES looks good. ES looks hella good. Look at that breaker on ES. Paired with the change of state of delivery, just tapped in. Let's see. Because if they both gave a setup, I would have taken it for sure. But because NQ didn't, I'm cautious that this might not go higher. I'm cautious. I'm cautious. But let's see. We tapped into the breaker on ES. Right? We tapped into the order block. We tapped into the. Actually, we didn't tap into the fair value gap. Probably could get away with putting my stop loss. Yeah, I got this body low, I guess. I think I got better RR though. Realistically, the breaker low also makes sense. This candle's low. All right, let's see. Failed setup maybe. I'm gonna have to like switch between all the accounts. Any chance it's here? If I just click refresh. Yeah, well, it was worth a try. Okay. Okay. The thing is, if I market buy now, it's a better entry. You know? It's a better fill. But yeah, I think stop loss. Like if we displace up, yeah, I think stop loss. Stop loss at this. There's a 30-second PD array. That makes sense. Not 10, 17, 30, 10, 17. I think at the bottom of the breaker makes sense. ES is playing out, tapped into the order block and the breaker, and it's going up. And Q's. So I'm just waiting for a displacement. Like, I feel like it's gonna come. As soon as we get a close above, I guess it's good to wait for confirmation. I might. If there's a fair value gap here, maybe I can get a better entry. Yeah, fuck. We're gonna probably take this. If we get a close above. Use soul analysis. I will do that for you, brother, right after I take this trade. No close above. I don't like that. That wick is probably a 15-second or like a 5-second fair value gap. That's terrible. No way I could long that. Yeah, no way. No, no, no. Not even hesitation. Like just a 0% chance that we wick like that and I can just click buy. Tapped into this order block. We failed to change state of delivery there. So I wouldn't be surprised if this goes lower. A failed order block right there. So let's see. Let's wait for another clean setup. I still feel like we're running for those longs, running for those highs. I'm gonna trust my bias. Let's see. See if we can get another entry. All right, we still have this fair value gap. ES looks a lot better. It is the stronger asset. So that's your unicorn on ES, right? Just tapped in. Let's see. Does it play out? Unicorn on ES. It's already trading pretty deep. Yeah, these equal lows though. Right, there's these equal lows on ES too. Let's not forget that. Fucking clean. Yeah, it's SMT, but could make a run for those and then give a setup. So I think our patience has been good. Looks like it's gonna run for those lows. It already closed pretty. ICT, breaker, breaker, block, FEG. This breaker is failing, brother. I think this breaker is failing. Unless we really push up here. The setup on ES is good. If we took the long, the best entry is probably the breaker. I would have put a stop loss at that FEG low, TP at the high. You would have caught 2.6R, not even including the equal highs. But NQ was ass, so I didn't take that long there. Even though the entry was check, 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 check. I didn't like how NQ was looking, so I faded it. I was like, you know what? Fuck this setup. So let's keep waiting and see. AM is dead? Maybe. It's possible. Could just save the move for PM. Or it's respecting the fair value gap. If we inverse this, it's possible. It's possible. If we inverse this on ES, I might look to take it on ES, to be honest, then. Let's see. Let's look at the 15-minute time frame. Yep, absolutely no. At this point, I feel like it's gonna come for the lows. It wouldn't even make sense to not. We came all the way down here. Take out the early buyers. And then make a move higher. No, okay. It's a nice body. Would I take a trade here? How would I take a trade here? Ooh, high, low, higher, high. Low, high, low. Yeah, if we broke structure here, fair value gap, I'll take it. That's a nice displacement. ES respecting really nicely. I think it's gonna form. Maybe, I don't know. Looks like no, that's a bad open. So we wait, we wait. This is a part of the game, you feel me? Don't let you be looking at stuff like this and be like, nothing here. I'm leaving. Man, it's not nothing here, right? It's price action. It's price action. What is price action? The chance to learn and build discipline. So let's see. Flat body candle there. Good thing we didn't enter that long preemptively. All right, so we got the slight inversion. We got the fair value gap here on ES. All right. Let's see. If we break structure here, I will enter a long position targeting this high. And then another runner for this high. I'll take most of my positions off here. That's a very fair low-hanging fruit objective. Low-hanging fruit. Eight high. These nice equal highs. Dude, what is this thing? Wow. I was like, why the fuck is this line so long? Okay, let's see. Right, we could also wait for 1050 macro. That's when the move could happen. Okay, looks like in my form, we do have a no SMT there. Yeah, if we get a nice break above, so far this SMT is holding. There's probably a 30-second breaker in there. Check it out. Okay, let's see if it forms. Right, the trade I'll be taking will be this. Little 1.9. It's only if the fair value gap forms. Small 2R trade there. The week. No close above, no trade. No trade, no close above, no trade. A nice displacement, but then we just swicked. There is a fair value gap there. But I don't care about the size of the fair value gap. I care about this displacement. So this range can be small of the fair value gap as long as we actually displaced above that high, which we did not do. So we'll wait some more. SMT there as well. So for sure not a good setup. Made that mistake yesterday. Okay, just tapped into the FED. Let's see if it plays out of curiosity. Actually my model, like if I was trading my second model, it would have been this would have been my entry right here. I love this type of entry. It's always sniper entry. The only reason I didn't take it is because there was no I would have needed this to enter some type of key level, like if it took out a higher time frame low. I can't just enter because it's a 1 minute. Like I guess 10 a.m. PO3 is that a key level. My change of state delivery SMT, bro, it's such a good model, bro. It's basically like you're anticipating the SMT to hold. It's just gonna run TP and not give us an entry. I guess that was a potential entry. So let's see. But this would have been my best, bro. I've backtested this model and it's always sniper entries because you're entering off of one candle. Like it literally, it would have been this. Would have been the trade. And you're basically just saying, I think this SMT is gonna hold. It's a turtle soup model. And if you believe that the SMT will hold, it's a good when there's an inversion or something that happens after. I would have got filled on this candle, 1022. Yeah. Looks like we're running for that high now, though. So if it happens somewhere, yeah, somewhere more better. ES played perfectly, so into the breaker FEG. Look at that. Breaker block was never traded below. Even like stop loss could have been there. You'd be taking probably a partial there. It's like 1.5 R. So like if you entered on the FEG, oh, you would have got such a good RR. 3 RR there if you entered on the fair value gap. If you entered on the breaker, it's 1.7. It's hard to put your stop loss at equal lows like that. Do you take any today? Nah, nothing, bro. I thought about this, but it was too scary because Nasdaq was doing some weird stuff. This is like this. These highs, I feel like they're gonna get taken. But how would I take this trade now? Would have to be OTE order block. We already traded back into the order block. Look at that. I actually missed it. Order block with the fair value gap there. Makes it high probability. Small fair value gap, but it's high probability. Overall, today was not like you don't have to be taking trades today. Like it's not oh yeah. Go lower. That's good. Leave these highs for me. Leave them. Leave the liquidity for me. Alright, let's see what happens. OTE. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. That breaker is an OTE. We did tap into the breaker, but that breaker is a fucking huge wick. We didn't tap into OTE. We did tap into equilibrium now. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. Breaker block. No FEG. Let's wait. You know what might actually be a good entry? A sniper entry? Hear me out, bro. Hear me out. Hear me out with this. I'm not gonna take this, but let's just watch. I'm not taking it because I haven't taken trades like this before. But hear me out. I'm not worried about this. Bro, all that just come right back into the range, you know? Range bound half, bro. Half. Well, let's stay patient, right? We already stayed patient till 10:35, so let's not force anything. We already waited all this time. It would suck to take a trade and lose now. So let's not force anything, but we are going to look for 1050 macro, right? As long as those highs don't get taken, I'm interested. I don't think anyone took a trade today. Like if somebody took a trade today, if I go on Poggy, what? I mean, Miso, what the fuck did you take, bro? Did this guy take a freaking what trade, bro? Where? Where is there a trade from 9:30? How? How did Miso catch a trade, bro? I'm about to make fun of him. From here to here? Bro, this entire range is okay, 100 points is actually not bad. But that's only because 10 a.m. news. And we've been equilibrium of the range. The only way you take a trade is like, bro, where? Where though? I don't know. You could have longed like maybe 10 a.m. news as soon as this inversion. The inversion didn't even happen. I don't fucking know. Okay, let's see if my sniper entry would have played out. Just remember I said it. Just remember I said it. Who said it? I said it. Realistically, you can get even better stop loss on the breaker low. It's not gonna work, I don't think. But do you guys ever like go do something and then you put your phone somewhere, like just random, and you're like, yeah, I'll just come back and get it after? You literally cannot find it after because it's the most random place you put it. Remember what I said? Sniper entry. How many points would you be up right now? Let's see. 13 points, bro. I'm too good. I'm too good. 10:30. Okay, hold on. If we get a market source for value gap here, I might take it. Except for life. I mean, I wish. I hope. Yeah, bro. Because if I can put like, bro, if I catch like a 6R with 250 risk, like 200 risk, that'd be perfect, bro. Well, I can't. I literally cannot catch that because I have to trade micros. I have to trade 3 micros. So even that 7 point stop loss. I mean, I guess if I did a 7 point stop loss with Nas like a full contract, then I could do it. And then that 60 points would be 1,200, and my account would be back like this. You know, I'm not worried though, bro. Even if I blew my account, bro, so what? Literally, so what? Get another one. All right, we're probably gonna take this. Oh shit! It had to make 2 fucking fair value gaps, bro. I'll enter on the order block. Fuck it, I think that's fair. Bro, just know that my sniper entry would have played, and it's so beautiful. Switch to 2 minutes. It's too high. It is only one, but that RR is garbage. I can't trade that RR. But what I can do is I can enter on the higher one. I'll put my stop loss on the inversion. No, it really, it's not good. It's not good to do that. Like it's not a good trade. I'm just doing that because I know it's so high probability. Yo, this entry was so good right here. Have you entered? I just watched. No, no, I didn't enter. Where? I don't. You could have to just mark it. Just mark it. This would have been a perfect market buy opportunity. But what's gonna take these highs? What entry, bro? It's too late now. It's done. Even if I had a limit order in, bro, the breaker was perfect. Was perfect. Flat body entry. Our stop loss was breaker low. Should we have taken that? Is there any way I could have been confident in taking this? That's 4R partial. Is there any way I could have been confident in taking this? No. Not really, bro. Not really. We have a clear drawn liquidity. There isn't really any way. Pick 3 minute chart. Yeah, nice. What am I looking at? The only way I would have actually placed a limit there is if there was SMT. There is, but I meant like if it formed an SMT. Like if it looked like it was going to form an SMT. Wait, it did. What the hell? Wait, 1028? Oh no, it didn't. Didn't. I'm tripping. We have SMT at the highs now, so I will not even be taking a long here. I just made that a rule for myself. I've lost too many trades because I enter a limit when there's SMT at the freaking highs. But it's pretty good displacement. The question is like the only thing I'm thinking right now, do I put a limit in like here? I think here's fair on the order block. Cause then it can it's good enough. 1.6R, it's pretty shit. Could adjust our stop loss to like this body low. That's kind of better. Do I take this trade? The reason I'm considering it and not for sure saying it is one, I don't like the double fair value gap situations. Triple fair value gap actually this time. But two is the SMT at the highs. But I feel like those highs are getting run. The drawn liquidity is so clean. Low hanging fruit and Asia highs are right here. Equal highs right there. Oh, it's supposed to be. Bro, where is it? Where's my marking, bro? Same. Oh, okay, right there. So what we could do is just mark it buy if it's wherever it goes and then starts to wick. We could just mark it buy there. It's not a bad idea either. Or we could go for the OTE entry. That's the second option. And OTE is, yeah, literally that second fair value gap. It's low risk. Uh, the second fair value gap is so shitty and small too, anyways. I mean, the other one was shitty and small and it played out perfectly though. 1044. Well, do I take it? Look for the OTE. Perfect. Right there. Could be a sniper entry. Low risk. If it comes down here, I think it's gonna go higher. I'll put in my limit, but it doesn't even look like it's gonna go there anyways, so it doesn't even matter. Wait a minute. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. There's a fucking breaker in here, dude. There's a breaker block in here. Never fear. Right? Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. There's a breaker in here. Could just enter on the breaker. Something like this. I like that. I like that. Yeah. Let's do it. We get stopped. We get stopped. It happens. How many cons? 37. 5 micros. I don't. It doesn't calculate for you. All right, let's do it. So this is my trade. I don't know how I missed that breaker. I'm not locked in. Okay. What? Did it go in? It says X3. You want to cancel the limit? No, I don't want to cancel the limit. Oh, I'm gonna put my stop loss. Sell 3, stop. Yeah, that's okay. And then limit buy, sell limit. Yeah, right. The sell limit. But I don't want to put that in yet. I want it to hit me in first, and then I'll put the sell limit after. Oh. And then where's the equal highs?
Order
Oh shit, did we
filled.
get filled? Okay, we got filled. Let's just full TP there. Sell limit, stop loss. We're in. So just for retrospect, I'll keep the trade up here. I'll break even after we take this high. I'm assuming I can just drag this, right? Oh no, I can't. Well, let's see. Might stop us out. Should I take this? You should have already taken it. So just go for it, yeah. Here, let me do this. Actually, this probably is more interesting for you guys. So this is the long. The stop loss isn't perfect. It's at these 2 candles low. Maybe what I'll do is I'll put it at this body candle low. That's a little. That like makes a little more sense. I can't even adjust it on Tradeovate, so I don't know what the fuck to do. So I don't even know how to adjust it on Tradeovate. So if it stops us, it stops us. It is what it is. I'm happy with the trade regardless. So far in drawdown. I don't know my P&L. Bro, it doesn't even save the P&L on Tradeovate, bruh. I literally don't know, bro. I don't even know what's going on. Would you guys rather see Top Step X or Tradeovate? Let me show Tradeovate just so you guys can see how confused I am. Okay, what can I X this? So yeah, and then let's put this there. There's the stop loss I want. So far not good. So far not good. But we'll give it some leeway. Just tapped into the 1 minute fair value gap there. The best stop loss would be this. What would I do? The best stop loss would be this low. Well, let's see. Let's see. I'll probably trail my stop to this low. Can you guys see what's happening? All right, let's see if 1050 macro can start pumping this. Oh, there's position. We're down 16 USD. It's pretty low risk, I will say. It's like 16 points, 3 micros. So it's not bad. And in this case, we're just full TPing here because I mean, I guess I would leave a runner, like sell 2 there and then leave a runner. Or we sell 1 here, 2 there. Okay, we're decent push up. We're starting to wick again, so never mind. Like wicking right at the entry. Hopefully we can get some closures higher. We respected this little fair value gap. Yeah, I mean, I'm happy with the trade, whether we get stopped out or not. Hopefully we can just get some big push. 1050 right there. So let's see if I'm just trying to manage this trade. I don't even have a TP, a proper TP. That's a nice body forming right there. I hope this like doesn't look too bad. Maybe we can. I kind of like the Trade of 8 software. I don't know. For some reason, it's so simple. Like, yeah, I feel like it's in my. Stop wicking. Go up now. All right, so I'm thinking about taking a partial at this high. I feel like I should do that. So let's take this sell limit 3. I don't want to sell limit 3. How do I change? Oh, right here. Let's take 1 there. Did that work? And then let's take 2. Okay, right there. Perfect. Well, it looks like it's pretty bad drawdown right now, though. Let's look at ES, see if we're potentially forming an SMT. Um, it's not looking good. Well, it's wicking, but let's see. That partial looks neat. Yeah, I think I should take the partial for sure. Like secure something. But it looks like maybe I didn't get in a good trade. 1050, right? It's low, high, lower, low, higher, high. If we get, no, I should probably close the charts after this. I don't want to look at this shit anymore. I think it's a good trade though. I'm pretty happy with it. Look at this. It's really nice. Wait, what the fuck am I doing? Wrong way. Okay. Yep. Tapped in right at 0.7. We formed a lower high. I'm not gonna move my stop, but I really want to. I want to put it right here because we already formed that. You know, the higher low. It's not pushing as much as I wanted to off the rip, like it did with this entry. This low is well protected. Um, Wait a minute. What's up, brother? Aren't lower highs not good for longs? Higher lows. Sorry, I meant to say higher low. I meant to say higher low. I meant to say higher low. We already put in a like we came down here, didn't take this low. We made a higher low, so could potentially start to see a trend up. Higher lows are good. It's just so let's see if we can move up from that higher low. I see with my eyes. Yeah, that's good. I think everyone does, right? But that's good. I'm proud of you. Oh, that wick. We saw a really nice body there. I think that's stop loss. Holy shit. Did it hit the stop? Oh no, not yet. But it might any second now. You got stopped? I didn't yet. Closing charts for the weeks. I didn't get stopped. It came really close. 1 point. I mean, that's the accuracy, bro. That's the accuracy. Accuracy. I wouldn't re-enter though if I got stopped out if I were you. Whoa. So where's my stop loss? I believe it's right there at that body candle low. So that's a really nice wick in our favor, but I mean, to be honest, it's not really in our favor. It just did nothing. I put myself about to swing low, the lower one to the left. Right there. I told you not to do that, man. Because I bet, let's see if there's SMT there. No, no SMT. That would have been really nice to see, but you got to give the trade wiggle room. The reason I did not put my stop loss there is because too many times I'll trail my stop before it's breaking structure. Like, you know what I'm trying to say, Doug? We entered in a shitty pit. I mean, it's still a macro. I mean, here, we're already here. So we might as well save the extra points and just put our stop. I'm not gonna move it, bro, because I don't want to misclick. It looks like it's coming for our stop, to be honest. Let's just wait and see. We're still in. It's not the nicest thing. At this point, we're just hoping for a move higher. I mean, that wick was nice. A little bit leaning. I don't know what I just did. That wick is kind of more to our favor. Yeah, that's not a good body. It looks like it's coming straight for our stop loss. Our stop loss is, I believe, our only hope is that it repels off this wick. Forms an SMT. That's our literally last hope. ES already took that low. So let's see. Looks like it's coming for our stop. I love that. There's a TikTok where it's like someone enters a trade and he's like, okay. And he's like start praying. He's like that little meme guy. We entered with low risk because of the SMT here, right? That's why we entered low risk. I think that stop loss hit. No, any second now though, it's most likely gonna hit. It's literally one. Okay, there
Stop
it is.
failed.
Oh, you're gonna announce it like that? Annoying as hell, bro. Yeah, we entered low risk because I mean at this point every trade is low risk because there is SMT there. Well, let's see. Let's see. I'm not gonna re-enter, but let's see if those highs get taken. It might be a move for the PM. So minus 178 on my combine. Oh yeah, remove the celery, boy. I always remind me to do that shit. We should. Minus 178 on the combine, and then the only way I could enter is if maybe. Probably gonna be a PM move. But isn't it crazy? Like, can I just say something, bro? We consolidate the entire time. I finally enter long, and it starts to display slower. Huh? Like, why is it so hard, bro? I mean, good stop loss placement. How much should we be risking? Like, hey, it's up to you. For a challenge account or a funded account, that also depends, right? Yeah, we're coming for these equal lows. I didn't long because the way we tried to deal the FEG and the org. What daily FEG, brother? This one? Talking about the bearish one on ES? We inverted it. It's bearish FEG. Oh, we're talking about this one. Oh, this one right here? Yeah. I mean, that's fair. If that's how you use it, that's fair. I saw this instead. This order block. And then there was SMT there. To be fair, nothing happened today. We're literally in the middle of this range the entire day. So there's literally nothing forming. Let's see. For a challenge account, I think like 250 per trade, Kumar. If you risk 250 per trade, then you can pass in 8 trades. No, 6 trades. Sorry. You can pass in 6 trades. And that's if it's only 2 Rs. I think 250 is good. And you have 8 trades. So at least, unless you lose 8 in a row, I mean, which is possible, but I think 8 is good. But to be honest, like, I just kind of go in with 5 micros every time and just see what happens. I think the mistake we made there was taking a bad trade. No, I think the mistake we made there is like, yeah, we were waiting for some movement, but I was just reading like a 1 minute market structure, which is fine. I was looking for a scalp. Like my TP wasn't even those highs. It was literally just this high that was just put in. I was trying to enter OTE. So, but the mistake we made was like there was no higher time frame PD array really supporting the trade. Like, okay, sure, there's an hourly fair value gap, whatever. There's stuff in play, but there was no reaction. Like you want your trade to start when it enters a higher time frame PD array, right? Like I think first step enters higher time frame PD array. The last bear CFG was getting wicked. Oh, this one. Yeah, maybe. We should have seen a nice push right after. You're right about that. So we could have managed the trade better. But I think in general, like for example, these equal lows. Like taking a long would be a lot better after sweeping these equal lows. 15-minute equal lows below midnight swept. That's a lot better trade than like just Just 1 minute market structure. Even though there's still like higher time frame PD rates in play, our price did not enter a higher time frame key level when I entered the trade. I think that was that was just a stupid. Well, it's not really a mistake, but it's just something I think I should start to implement. Like not just a higher time frame PD rate in the trade. Like for example, oh okay, we tapped into the order block, we pushed up, sure. We broke out of this range, sure. But nothing happened when I took that trade. I think that will clean up some of the trades that are like that. So I might give it another shot. If we take out these equal lows, it looks like there's gonna be a huge SMT there too. So if we do take out those lows, there's SMT, and we're inside that macro. But probably not. Probably just gonna let this go. I wish I could see how much I lost today. Equity 480. How much? Wait, 480. Damn, we lost. Like 120. I lost 600, right? So 120. Oh, 112. Exit all positions and cancel all. I don't have any orders, right? I'm just gonna click this. Okay, nice. Just making sure. No SMT, but yeah, I'm not even gonna do a review for this day because, bro, nothing happened. The truth of the matter is, no trade should have been taken today. We had London SMT. We did. Yeah, we did for a small amount of time. Right at 9:30. 9:30 candle took London high, but like you tell me, where would you have entered? Would you just market sell, like just turtle soup? Yeah, if you turtle souped it, nice. You could have caught like a decent amount of points. Not really though. If you turtle souped it and held it to the low, you would have got 50 points. But like that low doesn't even make sense. Didn't even take out a low. Like okay, even if you chose this low, 54 points. But you see this fair value gap, you're probably gonna want to enter on it. And then even then, it didn't really play. Oh, actually, it played out. Yeah, this fair value gap did play out. But like, bro, that is awful. This is awful. Like, I would never trade. I wouldn't. I mean, it's hindsight now, but I would never want to take a trade like this. And then you have to wait till 10 a.m. news, right? 10 a.m. news runs the highs, breaks the SMT, displaces lower. Then you start thinking shorts. But in reality, nothing happened at all, really. We just kind of stayed in this whole range. Or look at this consolidation. Just 10 a.m. news provoked some volatility. So the trade I took was not that good. The setup was good, but the idea was not good. I should have, like, you know how in the, you know what my issue is? This is my issue. I'm gonna tell you my issue. I'm gonna tell you my issue. I know exactly what it is. When I get on the charts in the morning, I always have a plan. Yo, Kumar can vouch. I'm always like, okay, what's gonna happen is if I'm gonna take a long, I'm gonna need to see this low get tapped in or this fair value gap get tapped in, and I'm all locked in and all that stuff, right? But when it comes into like midday, like mid trading session, I'm just like, okay, maybe if we take this low, like I'm on the 1 minute time frame only. I don't go back up and I'm saying, okay, like what's gonna set up my trade? Nothing. If you look at the 15-minute time frame, you tell me you can see a potential trade setup here. You can squish my balls, bro, because there's nothing here, bro. Sure, maybe this. You could have traded like a 15-minute fair value gap paired with the order block there. Valid, sure. Possible. But you tell me where you would have found your entry. Here? There's no entry here. There's no entry. There's nothing. Like, unless you're just market selling, market buying off the top of the fair value gap. But ain't nobody do that. So, anyways, I think that's my issue right there. That's my issue, Kumar. I come in with an amazing plan. And then the plan doesn't happen right away. Like, I have to wait for it to come. Like, for example, had we just ran up for these, what was I looking at again? Yeah, just stay on the time frame. I think it's fine to go down, but then like just see what happens. Like, for example, we take out a low and I go to the 1 minute time frame and I'm waiting and I was like, okay, nothing formed. I gotta wait, for something. I can't just be like, oh, and then just wait for a setup on the 1 minute. I think something like that, like something clear. Like for example, when I said like let's come take for these highs and then go short, yeah, wait for those highs to get taken. That's a good plan. What was my long plan? We had to take out a low. We did take out a low, did we not? Did we never even take out a sell side every day? It was so much heavy. We get stopped out early because of 1 minute. Yeah. Right now, we just took the low. So, like, hypothetically speaking, this is the only setup that I could have taken today. Well, I mean, I only took one trade, but this is the only trade right here. You know what? This actually looks really good too. There's SMT there. But I won't take it, but let's price read. So if I guess after I see this, I would have to see. But yeah, this is the only setup that would have formed for me. Fuck this day. Yeah, F this day for sure. But also F almost F me, but like shit, I'm that was a bad trade. Nice setup, but no good context. The only thing that was good about that trade is I had a strong non-farm week, so it's normal. Yeah. I mean, yesterday was really good price action in my opinion. Yesterday was really clean. We swept these lows. Let's see out of hypothetical experience. Maybe I'll trade it on my combine because I'm gonna have to trade those eventually. Um, if we inverse this low, high, lower, low, higher, high, this would be your breaker. I would probably take that on my combine. I wouldn't take it on my fund. A true A set up my form now. Because now we took a 15-minute low. Like remember I told you, Kumar, like, oh, if I'm bullish and we're below midnight, we have to take out a low. We didn't even take out any lows, did we? I don't think so. 9:30. 45. No, not really. We tapped into some fair value gaps, but we didn't take out any sell side until now. So let's see. Yep, SMT with AM low. Looks clean. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. I would take the trade on Nas. Oh, if we displace like that, if we displace all the way with a fair value gap, bro, I will take this trade and I'll make my mom take this trade too. Take it on my funded too. Not the best RR. Well, it looks like it'll form double fair value gap. Would I enter on the fair value gap? Yeah, I guess if I enter on the fair value gap, then it's pretty good. Stop loss at S&P low 3R. 1109. It's okay. Let's see if it forms. Watch your time frame, noob. I'm not gonna cancel a trade just because it's 1109. If this forms at 1109, I'll probably take it. Well, if it forms now, I'll take it. It was like 11:30 and I'm waiting. I mean, it doesn't look like it's forming anyway. If it forms right now, I'll take it. If this closes above, I'll take it 100%. Like I'm not that's something I'm not gonna be like, oh 11, 11. No, like this formed. It's formed. If it taps in, it's not gonna not play out just because. Um, fuck, I have to open trade again, man. Fuck this shit. I don't even think it'll come back to that fair value gap. I'm gonna shower real quick. Yeah, you shower, brother. This would have been the setup that I liked. So that's the trade. I'll take it. I'll take it with half the risk I did on my first trade. I lost 120 on my first one. Let me risk 60 on this one. How can I risk 60? 2 micros? 1 micro? Oh, I gotta pick between 1 and 2. I'm gonna go with 2. I'm in long. Yes, good luck. I'm mad. I think it's gonna go up 2, brother. I'm trying to hop on my. No, 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 no. Go, go, go. Don't do this to me. There's no SMT at the highs, is there? No SMT at the highs. Okay, valid, valid. Bro, hurry up. Why is this thing so damn slow? Oh, it already knew I wanted to, dude. Okay, I think that's. Wait, my entry right? Hold on, let me just make this a little bit. I don't want to delete it, and then it moves. I think it's right. I can't tell. It doesn't show. Are we
Order
in?
filled.
Oh, okay, order filled. Okay, just go straight for my stop loss. It's chill. Now it's good. Don't worry. It's good. It's all good. It's all good. Let's go straight for my stop. All right. Well, let's see. I'm fine with it either way. It was half risk, so at least there's that. I'm just gonna. Sorry. Put my stop loss right here. So far, respecting the fair value gap, so it's valid. So it's half risk of my first trade. As soon as we take 2R, I mean, honestly, let's just see what happens here. There's no point in. I just stop us out right here. But let's yeah, 1041.9 is valid. This is a good setup. Like this one, I would be happy losing. Well, not happy losing. It's really close to my stop loss.
Stop filled.
Stop failed. I'm still in it here. My stop loss wasn't the low, it was the body low. So I'll let you guys watch this. My combine account. And okay, let's see. My stop loss was I raised it a little higher. If it plays out, I'm gonna be kind of upset. I think it'll stop me out too, though, to be honest, because it already inverted. Let's see. If we start like working, I might close early if we tap into this fair value gap. Close early. I'll put my stop loss here for now. I should probably just close this early. Whatever. It's close now, but if it starts going up, because only 3 points lower, but if it starts going up, I'll close early. Alright, we're out. Okay, fuck this shit. We're done. But I will journal these trades. I will journal these trades. Oh shoot, I don't have the executions. Dude, fuck this trade of shit. I gotta. Damn, we're getting bodied. Oh, every time I enter on a bullish FEG, I get destroyed. What is this? The setup. Wait, that's so sad. Wait, is it gonna play out on ES? The breaker never formed here. It only formed here. I feel like it's gonna play out. Let's see. Okay. I'm not gonna do a trade review today because there was literally nothing to review. But I will journal these. So trade one, I need to wait. I wouldn't be surprised if this plays out. We just formed SMT there. So the setup on ES, good. Setup on NQ. We got stopped out by 1 point. So that would be really upsetting if it played. Our stop loss was literally right here. I guess we would like partial here. Partial here. We only had two. I probably partial. I wouldn't partial at that high. Actually, would I? Yeah, I probably would. Is that no? I'd probably break even after taking that high. Look at that, bro. No, it's actually sad, bro. It's actually sad. I swear. I swear it's sad because we got stopped out by 1 point. By 1 point. So if this plays, am I gonna be upset? Yeah, I think I will be, bro. Because our partial will already cover our first loss. Everything else is just gain profit. But if it really plays out after stopping me out by 1 tick, nah, bro. No, that's so sad, bro. I'm gonna go jump off a belt. I'm gonna jump off a trampoline. Um, first trade was bad, hands down. I guess we can agree on that. That first trade was awful. Red folder news Tuesday loss. NQ microcons. We took 3 micros on the first one. Bias was bullish. Bias breakdown. Daily PO3 indicated higher prices below midnight open. See ya, Kumar. See ya, brother. I lost 121 on the first trade, right? That's what it said. It was a 112. I have to go back and see. We were looking for. Yeah, I fucked up. It was just a rule break day. I didn't even realize I broke rules there. I can't even journal this properly because like, what trade model did I hit? There was no trade model there. It was a 1 minute SMT, bro. That's all I traded off of. Entry model was for value gap microstructure shift, and I'll post the second trade was actually good. Still a loss. Tuesday news, red folder asset, Q microcons. Two. There wasn't those lows that were taken. That was an hourly swing low, right? Oh no, it wasn't. Just 15-minute equal lows. Trade model was a bullish reversal. Entry model was value gap market exit. Let's see. Is it gonna hit partial number one or no? If it does, I'm gonna cry. Because yo, to be fair, that was a good trade, right? We traded the stronger asset there. Oh no, we didn't. No, we did. We did. We traded the stronger asset. It really came for that low by one tick. It hit TP1. That's sad. That's unlucky. That's so sad. He got stopped out by one tick too. Yeah, it's unfortunate. I would be break even right now because that's TP1. That's my 2R. I would have been say 1.9R. So that would have been 30 points there. That would have been if I full TP'd there, I would be just above break even today. So I'd be slightly profitable. If it hits TP2, then I'll be like pretty profitable today. Like 10% profitable or something. 11%, 8%. Right? Because I was at 600, like 60 profitable. That's 10%. Like 10% profit on that trade. Because that's 3R. Yeah, that's unfortunate. All right, let's open trade over here and see. You think we'll go for Asia highs? Hard to say because we're so range bound, right? I don't know if we have that much movement in us. But remember, this is yesterday's Asia high, right? Oh no. Oh no, this is Asia high. This is Asia high. Yeah, Asia high. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. Do I think it'll go to Asian highs? Yes. Maybe not in this price run though. In this price run, I wouldn't hold till Asia highs. If in this price run, in my personal opinion, I would take a partial at these equal highs because that's a good RR. I would break even. I would break even, or I'd put my stop loss like right here because then if it comes back to this fair value gap and wants to play out in OTE, this is a good re-entry opportunity. And then I would take another partial here, and then maybe you can leave a runner, but I wouldn't like just TP at Asia highs. Not after like seeing all this like nonsense, nothing movement. But you can look at this and potentially like this, right? This is OTE. You could potentially see a nice entry. So I'd put my stop loss right here at this second candle FEG low. And then that's your unicorn entry OTE right there. It's a good entry. And if I had not taken, it's already 11:30. I wouldn't. But let's see. Could still go higher just from right here as well. One thing for sure, that would be break even. I'm just gonna keep watching this play as it hurts my heart. You feel me? I'm just journaling on the side right now. Hey, really one tick? Oh no, it's two ticks, guys. It's two ticks. I was overthinking. It's 0.5. That's 0.25. That's unlucky. Maybe Asia highs. It's possible. I would see like how it reacts off here. If it starts to displace, like if it starts to run through these highs, yeah, Asia high. You have to like manage the trade live. I can't like say it now. See, does it give a nice entry here? This would be a really good entry, like perfect. Right now, my stop loss would be right under that breaker low. When it hurts, when it hurts. So we're in some serious drawdown, but we really need to start winning like multiple high RR trades. We have 412. We have like 4 trades, maybe 3 trades left. All right, we just tapped in. Let's see. Does it hit the stop loss? Hypothetically speaking. Yeah, but it hit stop loss there, so. Okay, faking me out there. Let's see, it could still respect the fair value gap in play. Yeah, it doesn't look like it. Looks like it just came for TP1. Super range bound. How do I find? Oh, I can go to modules, orders, orders. So, wait, I want to see my executions. How do I see my executions? Take care, Armin. I'm just trying to finish my journal and then I'm gonna head out as well. I'm just trying to figure out where I can find my executions on TradeObey. Trade performance reports, market analyzer positions, order ticket trade performance. Maybe it's trade performance. Um, Dude, I don't know where my performance is. I don't know how to check. Close these things. There's my orders and positions. It doesn't show P&L. So minus 171. I think the first trade was minus 112. Minus 112. So that means the second trade was whatever 112, just 172. So what's 172 minus 112? 60 minus 60? Yeah, we said we're gonna risk half, right? So minus 60. Just need a post. Let's post the execution I took. So Compete with ES. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. This was the breaker. Let's actually mark out the fair value gap I entered off of. FUG. Just journaling, yo. But there's nothing else unless anyone has questions then. Oh, that way just deleted this. I just had it up here. TP1, TP2. Was the first trade I took. Anyways, I think everyone's gone. I'm gonna head out too. Another L. We're gonna have to keep playing comeback or start from scratch. Whatever it is, we're gonna figure it out and we're gonna make it happen. So, unless anyone, if you have any questions, just add me in my Discord. Today, I'm taking the rest of the day off, so no backtesting today. But tomorrow, we good. I think tomorrow is F4. Tomorrow FOMC. I'll be live anyway, but maybe not trading. Nope, no FOMC tomorrow. Thursday has news. We'll be live Thursday, but I doubt I'll take a trade Thursday. And Friday I'll be live. Might take a trade at 9:30 after NFP, but maybe not. So, anyways, that's it for me today. Catch you tomorrow, brother. See you, Alejandro. See ya, brother.